Hi there, I'm Bella Rose from TechCity, back with the TechCity news update. In the news today, the Samsung Galaxy S22 is here, and so is the Redmi Note 11. Jiji has acquired its biggest competitor in classified ads over in Ghana. Details after this. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is here, launched at the Landmark Event Center in Lagos as well as other parts of the world. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is Samsung's first device of the year. While it may be too soon to call, right now the Samsung S22 is arguably the most advanced and most environment-friendly and environment-conscious device around. Samsung said it had developed a new material that gives ocean-bound plastics new life as they are incorporated into various Galaxy devices. The company said, made with repurposed ocean-bound discarded fishing nets, the use of this material marks another step in our Galaxy for the planet's journey that aims to minimize our environmental footprint and help foster more sustainable lifestyles for the Galaxy community. The Samsung Galaxy S22 have a 6.06-inch screen, 120Hz refresh rate, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 12 megapixels telephoto camera paired with a full HD plus resolution and a handful of other groundbreaking features. The Samsung Galaxy S22 will retail at this price, and it is available to pre-order when you visit the address on your screen. Still on new releases, the Redmi Note 11 from Xiaomi launched as well, while the company promised that the Redmi Note 11 series would offer superior specs in the realms of camera, display, battery, and charging efficiency, providing high-level performance. The 6.43-inch AMOLED panel and 90Hz refresh rate of the device, as well as the 1080 by 2400 resolution, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, IP53 dust and splash resistant protection, as well as a 5000 mAh battery are features worth mentioning. A 4GB RAM with a main 50 megapixels and 13 megapixels selfie camera are some of the features of the device. And before we go, Jiji has announced its full acquisition of its competitor in classified adverts, heavyweight company Tonaton, based in Ghana. Tonaton, a subsidiary of Saltside, was the main Jiji competitor in Ghana at the time of its purchase by Jiji earlier this month. While the amount of the transaction was undisclosed, Jiji and Tonaton users will now have access to a larger network of buyers and sellers, significantly increasing trading opportunity and aggregate user base in what is seen as a major market consolidation in the classified sector. Following its acquisition of OLX in 2019 and its recent acquisition of Cars 45 in 2021, the deal sees Jiji as a well-positioned brand to tap into a larger share of the African market. And that's all we have time for today on the TechCity News Update. If you found this insightful and informative, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Don't forget to also share this video. For TechCity, I am Bella Rose, saying bye for now.